What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we're going to be looking at the all-new Unicorn Beetle Pro. This one is able to charge your pencil for your iPad Pro 11. Let's jump into it. Check it out. If you can remember, a little while ago, I brought you this case right here. This is the Unicorn Beetle Pro for the iPad 11. And remember, it had the kickstand. It's nice. It's durable. It has the 10-foot drop test approval. It does not have Apple Pencil access. Nothing over here. Now, Supcase has made this brand new version of the Unicorn Beetle Pro, and here we have it. Got it in my hands today. It still has that same durable feel. It still has Unicorn Beetle branding. It still has kickstand on the back, but we do have a new added feature. This time we have something different. We get a slot where we can actually charge our Apple Pencil as we protect our iPad. So let's get the iPad in here. As with any of the Unicorn Beetle cases, you're going to break this seal right down here in the bottom right hand corner. I'm going to open this up. We're going to take this piece, which is a plastic front, and we're going to lay this on top of our iPad Pro. Making sure that it is snapped on properly. Once we have that done, we're going to take this. This is the top of the case where the camera hole is. We're going to slide this in. We're going to lock it in. Go all the way around the edges to make sure that it is in properly. We're going to smooth all these out. And there we go. iPad Pro 11 is now in this new case. Now, for the test. Here we have Apple Pencil Generation 2. We are going to just drop this in. There we go. You get Apple Pencil charging, you get syncing, you get everything you need. Now, you can't go in to get this out. You're not going to be able to pull this out. So what has Supcase done? Innovation. You're going to just pull it out that way. Push through. And the pencil comes out just like that. Once again, you're going to take your pencil, you're going to drop it down in magnetically. It charges. We can see that. Charging is a go. You're going to lift up. Boom. There we go. Apple Pencil is still as buttery smooth as ever, even through this plastic front. Now you're going to get this great protection. This is 10-foot drop tested. I'm not going to be dropping my iPad, and this case is not going to allow your iPad to bend. We know everyone is worried about the bending scandal, but this case is tough. It's rugged. It's not going to allow your iPad to bend, and it is not heavy at all. Now let's just see what it looks like with the kickstand out. Kickstand is here. It stands up just like so. You only get this one viewing angle though. That's it. You get the one viewing angle. It's going to stand up on the desk, stand up on the table, and that's what you get. What you see is what you get with this case. I want you to take a quick look at the real estate on this. Now you got speaker grills right here up top, speaker grill down here at the bottom. You got charging port right here after you remove that tab, just like so. Over here, volume up and down. Basically feels like you are touching the keys on the actual iPad itself. All of our sensors are open right here. Microphones, everything is in the place where you need it at. Durable edging, durable case, Apple Pencil charging, easy way to get it out with your finger through here. Buttery smooth, still through this plastic cover. 10-foot drop tested. What more can you ask for? It's not heavy. It doesn't make it feel too bulky. It's really comfortable in your hands. We give it a thumbs up. Supcase has done something really special. They're going to give you 20% off of this case right now. But what you have to do is you have to use my special link below. 20% off ATG. Once you put that in, you're going to get 20% off this case. Guaranteed. So you know what to do. Smash that button. Please be sure and give me that thumbs up. And until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.